In vain, the poor moon shines her light. Horrible, horrible.
My thoughts exactly.
Mother!
I just never let myself go like some people.
See? Look at me. Light as a feather. I could play a girl of 15.
Even the thought of her makes my heart race.
Boris Trigorin, he's so famous. He looked young.
He is young and accomplished, don't remind me.
Where she feels happy and free, like a seagull.
You see Nina?
She went to the lake with Boris.
What does it feel like to be famous?
He's heartsick.
What's that supposed to mean? What's wrong with you? I'm going on the stage. I'm going to start a new life.
I am taking him away.
Let me go. Never known love like this before.
Are you that infatuated with her?
If you leave me even an instant, I just won't be alive at the end of it.
Remember all the laughter and the noise? And the love affairs. So many love affairs.